Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation, we're going to see how we go about editing our router settings up inside of our DHCP. So to begin this process, I've got Server Manager open. Let's go up to Tools, and from the Tools menu, let's select DHCP. Let's go ahead and make this full screen. Let's go ahead and move over this left window pane just a little bit so we can see what we're doing. And we're going to expand everything underneath the name of our server here. So we have the IP4 version scope up, and we go to our scope, and we're going to expand that, and from here we're going to go down to where it says server options, and from here we're going to go over to where it says router. Now if you don't see router in here, all you have to do is right click and configure options, and from the list you just check the box for your router. But we have a router already configured for our DHCP, so let's just go ahead and double click that. And now you'll see down here we have the IP address already installed inside of the properties for the router scope option. Now if we want to change this, all we have to do is just click remove, and we can change this to anything we want. For instance, maybe the IP address for our router changed, so we can change that to 254. We can click add, and we are now back up and running. So if you have more than one router, you can also add that in. For instance, you may have a redundant gateway that'll take you off the internet in case the primary fails, such as a DSL connection. So if your primary connection to the world goes down, then you can bring up your DSL connection and everybody can still get out and at least conduct some level of business. So once you've got your new IP address or your additional router information inputted into the server options for your DHCP scope, just go ahead and say apply. Go ahead and say OK, and you're all done. And that's going to conclude this short video presentation on how we go about editing the router settings up inside of our DHCP scope. So if you have any questions or you have any concerns about any of the information that was provided for you in this short video presentation, please do not hesitate to reach out, contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.